show you will see a lot of young artists. And we are celebrating Reggae Month. February is Reggae Month in Jamaica. The only month-long reggae festival in the world. And we felt it was important to showcase the children of some of our musical icons and also new and emerging artists, because we have to prepare the next generation to carry on this wonderful music we call reggae music.
Those places I want to take to come. Watch out to them vampires who will see something. Watch out to them big white people who can say that they're smart. And in the crack and the guns, I mess up the youth them hard. But when they all are look down on people. All pirates, yes, they're about. From the bottomless pit, but my hands were made strong by the hands of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing?
No fear.